Attention Amazon sellers, are you tired of struggling to crack the code of success on the Amazon marketplace? Introducing the ultimate game changer, the World E-commerce Forum 2023. 3 power-packed days of workshops, expert-led panel discussions, and networking opportunities, all aimed at propelling your Amazon business to new heights. Are you struggling with product sourcing, SEO ranking, or even selling internationally? This is the event that's going to solve all of your problems.
Hello guys, my name is Vincenzo Toscano. I'm the founder and CEO of Ecomcy.
Hi, my name is Amy. I'm the founder of Safari Star.
Hey everyone, it's Talal Assad with Brand Together, the collaborative style e-commerce agency.
Hi, my name is Omar Angri. I'm the CEO and co-founder of MarginBusiness.com.
Hello, I'm Amy Weiss, founder of Amazing at Home e-commerce.
Hi everyone, my name is Hai and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Eva.
Hi, I'm Anuj. I am the co-founder and head of planning at eShopify Fulfillment in the Middle East.
Hi, my name is Richard. I'm the founder of The Cool Social.
Hello everybody, my name is Yannick. I'm working for Unicorn Logistics.
Hello, my name is Petya and I'm the product manager of Novostock.
Hey, my name is Marina. I'm the founder of Mastering.
Hello, my name is Marina. Company called Hello, my name is George and I'm the business development manager at Novostock.
Hi, I'm Bruno. I'm the founder of Blue.ecommerce.
Hello, this is Chris McCabe, founder of e-commerce Chris and Amazon Seller Consultancy.
Hi everyone, Igor Dimitrov is here.
Hi, my name is Richard. I am the director of Safari Star.
Hi, this is Ihab El Orfali, co-founder and head of operations of eShopify Fulfillment in Middle East.
Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to learn, grow, and expand your Amazon business like never before. Join me on the dedicated Amazon Sellers Society stage in the World E-commerce Forum in Istanbul from June 8th till June 10th, 2023. Make sure that you register right now and use the promo code Sellers Society to get 40% off your ticket. Register now and I'll see you there.
The 10th World E-commerce Forum.